On an otherwise usual quiet night, a camera caught something bizarre. An unnerving scene unfolded on a front-lit porch in a suburban area. As the footage shows, a sudden commotion as the door violently splintered, an unidentified intruder attempting entry. But the scariest part was the intruder's visage, a face devoid of humanity, wide eyes gleaming unnaturally in the darkness. What was this zombie-like creature? What drew it to this rage? Such mysteries left a haunting curiosity, lingering in the eerie footage. A Twitter user stumbled upon something eerie when looking through their doorbell camera footage. For the last dozen days, a mysterious hooded figure appeared in their apartment corridor, lurking in the darkness. The police's reluctance to investigate did nothing to calm the owner's nerves. However, it wasn't just the nightly visits that sent shivers down spines. The figure's voice echoed, muffled yet chilling. But what truly made it unsettling was the inhumane behavior. Despite the unclear words, the figure's unsettling actions painted a sinister picture. Was he waiting nightly for the owner to slip up and open the door? This footage was uploaded from an anonymous user to Reddit. It begins with an unsettling sight, a figure veiled in a clown costume, fixating eerily on the camera. But what follows amplifies the chill. Returning to the house, their intent shifts, as if hunting for an unknown target within. The inhabitants remain baffled, haunted by the memory of this peculiar intrusion. The tale behind this recording remains unknown. Perhaps a dare turned sinister, or a prank gone awry. The unsettling silence of the clown's purpose leaves a lingering unease. Who was behind the mask? What compelled this haunting visitation? Days later, an unexpected visitor, disguised as a clown, reappeared at the very same house. This time, the figure stealthily approached through the back door. The peculiar recurrence sparked curiosity. Did he return with a final resolution to enter the house? In the eerie stillness of a 3 a.m. night, a surprised homeowner was awakened to the sight of the bizarre events unfolding just beyond his doorstep. A beaten-up figure, a woman adorned with an array of keys, was captured on video attempting to breach the sanctity of his home. But the disconcerting scene didn't end there. As the failed attempts persisted, the quietude shattered as stones were hurled at the owner's car. The homeowner insists he had never crossed paths with this woman before. Imagine coming to your front door for this sight to greet you. That was the reality for this homeowner when his doorbell rang in the middle of the night. A jester armed with a large knife. Now, envision yourself in that moment. How would you react in the face of such an uncanny meeting? Filmed on October 8, 2016, this front porch camera unravels an eerie scene. Was this an ill-timed trick or treater? It seems his intentions were far more sinister. What compels this unsettling act? In the Eerie clip released by Juliana Velacrez back on October 4th, 2019, a chilling scene unfolds as someone in an alien costume wakes the household. The tension escalates as viewers ponder the unthinkable outcome had that door been unlatched. In a separate residence, a doorbell chimed, signaling a late-night visitor. However, what awaited them was far from anticipated. A masked figure adorned with peculiar, unsettling eyes. In a sleepy neighborhood, a doorbell chimed. The residents, curious yet unsuspecting, braced for a mundane encounter. Yet, as they peered closer, a chilling sight awaited them. A strange clown figure staring straight back. On the quiet night of a chilly October dawn in 2022, a home camera captured 3 shadowy figures, armed and masked, congregating at a house's doorstep. The startled homeowner prompted to activate the speaker, hoping for an explanation. Silence greeted them, deepening their dread.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Fearing the worst, the homeowner swiftly summoned the authorities, but before help arrived, the trespassers vanished. A camera captured an eerie incident that shook the peace on July 6, 2018. The footage unfolds with a woman relentlessly knocking on a door, her urgency hinting at a hidden intention. Unsuccessful, she escalates, attempting to breach the home by shattering a window.
What is going on? What is going on?
Hi.
Hi.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
So why are you banging on the door?
Because my friend was there.
The woman, identified later as Hanina Agala, holds an unexpected profession as a 1-cent grade teacher. Why she tried to enter this house is unknown, possibly caused by a narcosis or delusional state.